Important milestone in India's fifth generation fighter program. Manufacturing process starts for first prototype. First flight slated for 2024 series production by 2030. India has announced an important milestone in the development of its fifth generation combat aircraft. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited announced it was starting the manufacturing process for India's advanced medium combat aircraft. DRDO and HAL recently announced the proverbial metal cutting for the first prototype of Amca. The maiden flight of Amca is scheduled for 2024 to 25 with series production beginning in 2030. Aeronautical Development Agency believes that after 4 years of flight testing, the period can be shortened to 2028 to 29. In fact, 2021, HAL revealed that the company was employing a special purpose vehicle model with private partners. The SPV model was reportedly employed to produce the next generation Amca and Indian multi-role helicopter, while HAL and ADA will handle the design and development. Commercial defense companies subtitles closely the production of combat jet stealth fighter with multi-role capabilities. Amca is designed to perform deep strikes into enemy territory to destroy air defenses and critical targets. Amca's multi-role fighter capabilities, air dominance, ground strikes, enemy air defense suppression, electronic war tasks. Other advanced technologies that are planned on the aircraft include supercruise, divertless supersonic intakes, advanced avionics, and artificial intelligence. The aircraft is envisioned to have a combat weight closed of 20 tons in a baseline stealth configuration. It will also be capable of carrying 1.5 tons of ordnance in its internal weapons base. In non-stealth configuration, the Amca will carry 23mm cannon and an extra 5 tons of fuel and weapons on 14 external hardpoints. Stealth and non-stealth variants. The Amca will be available in stealth and non-stealth variants and will be produced in 2 states. These include Amca Mk1 with an existing GE414 afterburning turbofan engine that powers LEA Tejas. Another one is Amca Mk2 with a new, more powerful engine that will collaboratively developed with a foreign player. India and France are nearing a deal to collaborate on the development of 125kN engine for the Amca. The Indian Air Force is said to have ordered 40 Amca Mk1 fighters and at least 100 Mk2 derivatives as well as semi-unmanned variants. India's futuristic fighter jet. The Amca is envisioned as twin-engine stealth aircraft with internal weapons bay and diverterless supersonic intake. It will reportedly be a 25-ton aircraft with an internal payload of 1500 kg. It also has an exterior payload of 5500 kg in addition to 6500 kg of internal fuel. The Amca would be stealthy and have supercruise capabilities. It will ensure India's entry into the elite club of countries with 5th generation stealth planes. Currently, the F-35 and F-22 Raptors from US, the Su-57 Falcon from Russia and the J-20 from China are operational 5th generation aircraft. Other countries developing 5th generation aircraft. Turkey is also aggressively pursuing its own fifth generation aircraft program. It's known as the TFX and shares almost the same timeline of launch as India's Amca. South Korea KF-21 and the European nations Tempest and FCAS are also developing fifth generation fighter jets. The Amca program is crucial for the Indian Air Force, which has only 30 to 32 fighter squadrons as of now. Reports say the service will not be able to attain sanctioned size of 42 squadrons in the next 10 to 15 years. Besides the Amca, India is also evaluating its options to procure 112 combat aircraft under MRFA project to boost its fleet. India's Amca to counter in China's stealth fighters. Experts say India's fifth generation project may be driven by the need to match China's air power and maintain qualitative military superiority over Pakistan. China operates the J-20 and FC-31 fifth generation stealth fighters, which it can use against India in Himalayan borders disputes. In contrast, India's most capable air superiority fighters are the 4.5 generation French-built Rafale and license-built 4+ generation Russian Su-30 MKI jets. India's Amca also aims to counterbalance Pakistan's fifth generation fighter program, which Islamabad is pursuing in cooperation with Turkey.